Welcome back to Max Online class. Chapter 4 Life Mathematics. Watch the video carefully. In this session, now we will see some example sums. Already we know very well what is cost price, selling price, loss, profit, then everything we know very well. Then the formulas are given, see that, and by using this formula, we have to solve some problems. Ranjit bought a washing machine for rupees 16,150 and paid rupees 1,350 for transportation. Then he sold 19,000. Find the gain or loss, the percentage. What is the cost price? 16,150. Overhead expenses 1,350. So add the values. 17,500. What is the selling price? 19,000. Actually, what is the cost price? 17,500. So selling price is greater than cost price. So profit. We have to calculate the profit percentage. So cost price, my selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So what is the answer? Answer is 10%. Next, the selling price of an LED TV is equal to 5 by 4 of its cost price. Then find the gain or profit, the percentage. Selling price, cost price of the LED TV be X. Selling price 5 by 4 of X. What is, we have to find profit or loss? Profit, because selling price minus cost price, that is 5 by 4x minus X. So this is nothing but LCM 1. LCM of 1 comma 1 is 1 by 4. So X by 4. So profit percentage equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. X by 4 divided by X into 100. So 1 by 4 into 100. 1 4s are 4, 25 into 4, 100. So what is the profit percentage? 25%. The cost price of 16 boxes of strawberries is equal to the selling price of 20 boxes of strawberries. Find the gain or loss percentage. Cost price of the strawberry we don't know. Cost price of 20 strawberry boxes equal to 20x. Selling price of 20 strawberry boxes equal to cost price of 16 strawberry boxes. 16 into x. So loss, because selling price is less than cost price. So cost price minus selling price, 20x minus 16x equal to 4x. Loss by percentage equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. So 4x divided by 20x. 4 x cancel. 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. 1 5s are 5, 20 into 500. So loss percentage 20%. Example 4.9. The selling price of a bicycle 4,275. A shopkeeper losses 5%. How much should he sell it to have a profit of 5%? So what selling price of bicycle 4,275, loss 5%. Cost price equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. This is formula, you have to read it in your book, it is given, see that and check your answers. So 100 divided by 95 into 4,275. So what is the cost price? 4,500. What is the profit? 5%. So 100 plus, this is also formula, 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into selling price. So 100 plus 5 divided by 100 into 4,500. So 105 into 45. So 4,725. 4.10. The price of a raincoat was slashed from 1,060 to 901 by a shopkeeper in a rainy season to boost the sales. Find the rate of discount. So discount equal to marked price minus selling price. So how many rupees discount? 150. So discount percentage equal to discount divided by marked price into 100, because percentage means we have to multiply 100. So answer is 15%. Next, find the single discount in a percentage which is equivalent to two successive discount 15 percentage and 20 percentage on an article. The price of the article be 100. First discount 25 percentage. So 100 into 25 divided by 100 cancel, 25 rupees discount, because we don't know the cost price, so we have to take them as 100. Next, what is the discount? 25%, 25 rupees. Now discount, now subtract 100 minus 25, 75. Now what is the discount? 20 percentage. So 75 into 20 by 100, so cancel it, that is 15 rupees discount. So price after 72nd discount equal to 75 minus 100 equal to 60 rupees. So net selling price equal to 16. Children, the formulas, everything is given in your book. Without textbook, you are watching the online class, means it is not useful, I think so. So with your textbook, you watch the video, it will be very useful. And then in your book, everything is given, summary, formula, everything is given. See that and read it. Thank you.